So, I've been helping my old chum, John, build a kart for a Soapbox Derby. Now, that's a kind of downhill kart race, for those of you who aren't familiar with them. We've got to the point where we decided we needed ballasting for the car to weigh it down, so we decided to get some of this and melt it down to make some of this to put into this. We'd never done it before. What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah. Got two.
The melting point of lead is 327 degrees centigrade, so we decided we could do it on the cooker. We are making molten lead
Ingots.
ingots. Oh. So far, no injuries, but that pan is smoking a lot. Cool. Oh, look at it bubbling away. Don't drop my iPhone in it. Hold. Should we get outside?
It's actually the non-stick protection on that. That's what it is.
Take it. Get that molten metal. Slightly warm.
So I fire the
Yeah.
that looks bigger than the other one.
Yeah, it does.
Bubbling away, yeah.
Bubbling away.
It bubbles out. 163. It's going down.
Quite rapidly.
It's all over the place, isn't it?
With different hot spots in the metal, couldn't it?
Yeah. It's fine. It's good. Put these in the washing machine.
Yes, it did. For ballasting reasons, it gave us everything we needed in terms of weighing down the chassis, but I'd be more cautious about doing it on kitchen work surfaces. If you're going to try it yourselves, good luck. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press like, subscribe, whatever you want, and I will see you soon.